That was a nice little train ride.
20 minutes late, but our train is leaving. We're looking for our train carriage, and these trains are so long, so you have to get here early to make sure that you can find yours and not miss your train.
Oh yeah, okay. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
So 1, 2, 3. Do you know what number we are? Here?
Yeah.
What?
Away data cable, earphone, mobile charger, power bank, earphone, headphone, headphone.
I'd like to get a snack if I could. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We're on the search for a couple of snacks before we get going. It looks like there's a place right here, so got about 10 minutes before the train leaves. Some food over here.
Normal? Normal. Golden is
Thank you. Alright, loaded up with snacks. We got it's a short ride, but got some popcorn. It's all strapped together. Got some sour cream and onion chips, and some water, and some cookies. So we should be good to go. Got some food. I wasn't sure. I know it's not long, but I wasn't sure how hungry we'd be. So, okay, it's got you some cookies too.
Alright, so it's about 20 minutes late, but our train is leaving.
Bathroom Just wanted to give a little bathroom tour. We got a window right here. It's pretty basic, you know. Got the toilet, got the water to pour down, sink, mirror, and a little window out here that leads outside. Nothing special. Probably wouldn't want to be stuck on here for 2 days, but hey, basic toilet, and it does have the sprayer gun too. Now I don't see any toilet paper in here, so if you're a toilet paper person and you don't use the gun, then you got to bring your own toilet paper. But pretty solid bathroom. Get the neat done for. We're only on this for like 2 hours, so it does the job.
From mathura.
Yes, food is fresh.
Yes. Radix
So this way or this way? Oh my god.
Hot out. That was a nice little train ride. Good little sampling.